What up everyone, my name is Kate and today I'm going to show you different ways to wear the Chanel wallet on chain bag. This bag may be small, but she is mighty and there are so many different ways in which you can wear it, how you can deal with the straps, and I'm going to show you all of the ways I know. The first way you can wear this bag is over your shoulder. So that is just taking the strap normally and then placing it over your shoulder. Simple, easy, classic. The next way you can wear the bag is a crossbody. Again, just take the strap long and put it over your shoulder on the other side. This makes it a little shorter, so if you are a shorter person, your bag won't be hanging as low. I like this when my coat is not huge and it can fit over me, but if my coat is really big, I won't really wear it over the shoulder. The next way you can wear it is over the shoulder, but with a doubled up strap. So you can double up the strap in two ways, and I will show you the two different ways. Number one is you can put the strap on the inside, and that way it is doubled up on the inside, but you cannot see the strap on the top. So it kind of looks like this. It doesn't kind of look like this. It does look like this. So it looks like this, where the strap is now shorter, and on the inside you can see that it is just doubled up. So this is a nice way to create some shortness and length, and then you can have this over your shoulder or crossbody. Crossbody I think gives a more sporty kind of city look. Over the shoulder is more classic. The next way to wear it is you crisscross underneath on each side, and then you pull it through. So that way it is incredibly short. So this is the shortest I would say you could even have the bag. So this is underneath the bag 3 times, and it creates a really cute short length. This would be great for just a baguette bag. So it's kind of like, it's short, but there's no way to really make this crossbody. It's just a short little bag. I like this way if you are trying to hold the bag closer to your body. What people do worry about is that it could cause damage on the sides long term, which it definitely can. I would just recommend not doing this all the time. The next way you can wear the bag is similar to the way I just showed you, except you wouldn't be doing as many roundabouts on the interior of the bag, so the strap would be slightly longer. So you would take the strap once around, placing it around, and then the strap would be slightly longer. So now you can see that the strap is slightly longer. There is part of the strap on the top again, but this is long enough where you could do crossbody or you could do over the shoulder. So some people like this because it gives a little bit of a top layer, which is nice in some ways, depending on what you're looking for. The next way you can wear the bag is to double up the strap. So you do the way we just did before, but then you pull that top strap and then it becomes a 2-strap bag. So this way is kind of cute. It's more reminiscent of the old Chanel bag or the jumbo flaps, medium flaps, the bigger classic flap bags. I don't think you would do this type crossbody, but this would be great for over the shoulder. Again, kind of like those Prada bags or those baguette bags that people call them, just high up on your shoulder. The last way in which you can wear this bag is by putting the strap fully inside, which I think that this is a very classic way to wear it. I've seen people at parties wear the bag like this, and you don't have the strap at all, and it's just a clutch. So this way I think is most wallet-esque, where you would have your cards in here, you wouldn't have any strap, and you would just hold it, and that would be it. It kind of looks like a giant wallet. And I think that this way is nice when you don't want a strap. Maybe your outfit would look bad with a strap. But this is just another classic way and another way that how versatile this bag is. So yeah, that is it. Those are all the ways in which you can wear this bag. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Again, my name is Kate. If you enjoyed, feel free to like, subscribe, and let me know if you want to see more of this kind of stuff. Bye, have a great day.